Hey there, everybody. Thomas Will Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, August 18th, and we're going to take a look here at Coinbase. So this is a weekly Coinbase chart, and this is a trade I'm actually in right now. I'm long leaps, 2028 expiration leaps, at least for the time being, in Coinbase. But the thing I'm watching is we have all the support coming across here around the 139 to 140 area. And so far, that support's been holding. As long as that support continues to hold, our bias will be bullish longer term. Short term, it looks a little bit weak on the dailies. We do look like we could pull back a bit and sell off a little bit more from here. So just be aware of that. But long term, it looks bullish and suggests that we can go higher. So keep an eye on it. As long as we can stay above that 139 level, stay above the weekly support, we'll look for this thing to start pushing higher. And our first target for this would be the previous pivot high up around 181. But really, I want to see this eventually, if we can get back into a bull market in crypto, get back above the major pivot high at 222 and really see this thing push back up towards like the 250 to 260 area. So keep an eye on it. For now, it's, again, just consolidating right above the support. So we'll watch as long as that support holds. We'll look for it to bounce. If it breaks through the support, though, our next target to the downside would be 114. And the previous pivot high is back here, as well as our previous pivot low. So if we do break 139, 114, significant support down there as well to keep an eye on. Again, one of the big things this is really hinging on is, can we get crypto to start to climb? And one of the things that crypto is waiting on is the Clarity Act being voted on in September. So I wouldn't be surprised to see that pass in September, see Bitcoin flush, and then turn around and climb back up, kind of sell the news, and then turn into a bull market starting in October, which lines up with that 4-year cycle. For those of you that track the 4-year cycle with Bitcoin. But that's it for today. I hope it helps. Don't forget, you can get these trades live with us in the trade room. All you gotta do is go to basecamptrading.com. Get signed up for the trade rooms there. But that's it for now. See you in the next one. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.